I'm going to show you how to use the playback function in the main menu. You're going to use playback to search previously recorded videos on your system by inserting the date. It also gives you the option to back these videos up and put them on a flash drive. So you're going to right click, left click main menu, and left click on playback. Now to search for a file by date, you're going to enter specific date. So we're going to left click inside there and we're going to search for the 19th. Hit the arrow for enter. Now you have the option to search a specific channel or all channels. So we're going to search channel 1. And you're going to press the search button. Now the calendar grid will appear and any days with available recordings are going to be highlighted. The first section will show all recorded videos within the entire month. Now to change the day quickly without having to go back to the top and insert a new day, you can just left click on another day. So you can go to the 18th and go back to the 19th. Just keep in mind that you can change this as long as it's within the same month. The bottom section is going to show the times that have been recorded for this specific channel. Keep in mind the DVR is set to military time, so the numbers at the bottom represent the hours in the day. You're going to left click the hour you'd like to review to begin playback, so we're going to left click 9 a.m. After you search, it's going to give you the option to see all of the channels for that specific time that you just chose. So we're going to choose all channels, select play. Now the playback speed can be modified using the playback control bar at the bottom, and the volume can be adjusted using the volume bar. Now keep in mind the volume will only work if you have an audio enabled camera. When you're finished watching, you can right click all the way out, or you can use the X at the bottom and then exit. After searching a date with available recordings, you can click the File List button at the bottom of the screen to display a list of recorded files in the Detail Files menu. Now, you can then copy these recordings to a USB flash drive, which is not included. Keep in mind, you need to use your own flash drive. Okay, so let's take a look at the right side here. When browsing the pages of recorded files, clicking the first button will take you to the first page of the list, and the last will take you to the last page of the list. Next will take you to the next page of the list of recorded files. Back will take you to the previous page of the list of recorded files. Clicking all will select all recorded files on the current page of the list. So if you go to the next page here, you'll see that you have to select all. Again, it's only for that current page. Clicking the backup button will copy all currently selected files to a USB drive. The system is compatible with most major brands of USB flash drives, and it will recognize capacities from 256 megabytes to 4 gigabytes. Now to back up recorded files, connect an empty USB flash drive to the USB port on your system. Make sure that you are not plugging it into the USB port for the mouse. You will have to format the USB flash drive before you choose to back up any files. Formatting erases all the current data on the USB flash drive and configures the settings to be able to add files from the DVR. So you're going to right click, select main menu, we're going to left click system, left click advanced, and left click hard drive. Now we're going to format the USB, so you're going to left click, you're going to click OK. And remember, this is going to erase any data on your USB drive. Click OK. OK again. And you're going to select Apply here. OK. Exit. Click the backup button to begin copying the files to the USB flash drive. Once backup is complete, you will be presented with a pop-up window. A progress bar is going to appear as shown. Now it's showing that the system is copying the video files to your USB drive. It's very important, do not remove the USB drive until the pop-up window changes to indicate that the backup is complete. So when you're finished, you're going to click OK. Keep in mind that if there is not enough space on the USB drive, the system will display an error indicating that there is insufficient space to perform the backup. Okay, when you're finished, you're going to exit. And you can exit and right click all the way out. When you're finished, you can take your USB flash drive out of the back of the DVR, and now you can go over to your computer, and I'm going to show you how to convert the files to an AVI format. I'm going to show you how to use the playback function in the main menu. You're going to use playback to search previously recorded videos on your system by inserting the date. It also gives you the option to back these videos up and put them on a flash drive. So you're going to right click, left click main menu, and left click on playback. Now to search for a file by date, you're going to enter specific date. So we're going to left click inside there, and we're going to